Dirt bikes are expensive, so when my dirt bike started sounding like this, I knew my pockets were gonna hurt. But there's one thing saving me right now: TEMU. So I ordered 2 things off of TEMU that would have cost me over $100 for only $40. So the first thing I got off of TEMU is this carburetor rebuild kit, and hopefully this will fix that rough idle that we have, because my theory is that these O-rings on this, from this thing sitting for so long, just deteriorated them. And when I took apart the carburetor to clean it, those things were completely shot. And we'll see if this will fix it. Alright, so I got the carburetor off right now. Everything looks pretty good with it. Look at this. We gotta get this little O-ring out. Yeah, look at this. This thing is not in the best condition. So here's the rebuild kit. Let's see what we got in it. Let's check it out. Nice. So we got this new jet here. We gotta take this out. Check out the new one. Nice new one in there. These things get me mad. Especially this one, because it just comes off so easily. It just doesn't stay. Oh my goodness. Why, bro? There we go. Cool. Boom. Carburetor is rebuilt, all new seals. I'll throw this back on with some new fuel lines. We'll see how she runs. Alright, that is the carburetor kit from TEMU, fully installed. Let's try it out, I guess. So let's see. Gotta adjust the idle a little bit. Sounds really good though. That sounds way better. Way better. This is actually like perfect. See that? That's not good at all. I don't know what that's all about. Before the video continues, make sure that you guys like and subscribe so that I can keep making videos like this one. The next thing I got from TEMU was this light bar kit that only cost me $37. Alright, I don't know what the heck happened with the GoPro, but it was tweaking out and it didn't let me record anything. So I put on the whole light bar off camera and it looks pretty cool, but the only thing is this kind of gets in the way, but honestly it does not matter because look at how bright that is. Oh my goodness, it's like insanely bright. Bro, I don't know what was wrong with the GoPro. I would hit record and it would stop recording like 5 seconds later. Anyways, I got this whole thing on. The TEMU dirt bike is done and it is up for sale. It runs pretty good now. I actually got the idle to idle pretty good. It actually runs so good now. The only thing about the light bar is it's hard to switch the key off. And then we have the go-kart here. It's honestly trashed behind the Maniac. I'm thinking of selling this thing too because it's just being a hassle. I got this this gas tank, brand new gas tank, and I need this adapter that goes from a smaller size to a bigger size to get the right adapter to go into the carburetor, and it's really just like really annoying. So me and Chris decided that we just want to get rid of all of our stuff and get better things. Like we're gonna sell this go-kart, and then I'm selling the dirt bike. It is a beautiful day though today. I really wish I could just go rip this thing around, but Mr. Guy over there doesn't like me riding the dirt bike. Actually, look at what they did in my neighborhood. They put this sign up. That's wild. Just because of me riding the dirt bike. Anyways, closing up the garage right now. Make sure all the lights are off. This thing is bright. Whew. Imagine night riding with that. That looks so cool. I need to night ride this thing one time before it sells.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, so it's been about 2 weeks since I last recorded. As you can see in my garage here, there is no dirt bike. So I finally sold the dirt bike. Dirt bike is gone. Anyways, I bought the dirt bike for $900. I put about $100 into it. I sold it for $2,600. So I made about $1,600 off of that dirt bike, which is very, very, very good. I've been looking at Marketplace to try and get a new dirt bike, but I have not found anything good on Marketplace. I need to find one that's good and in a good condition. So if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you drop it in the comments down below of what dirt bike I should get. What should I be looking for? 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 125, 85, 250, 450. Just give me any type of suggestions that you guys have. Also, let me know what type of videos you guys would want to see on the channel, because I have some good ideas and I have some bad ideas, but it's better to have you guys tell me what you want to see instead of me just coming up with random things. I don't know what else to record for this video, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. This is the new project. Is the 2000 KX 250.
My name is Iski. I need them, they need me. Double G on double G. I'm popping bill like Gucci. I trade the pills in